I'm gonna do a little start video for. Oh, gotta figure out how to say her name. But anyway, let's troubleshoot here. Keys on, bikes in neutral. So, kickstands up, not on the clutch. Starts. Okay. Now it's put in gear. Alright, now it's in gear. It shouldn't start. Nothing. Not on clutch. It's in gear. On the clutch. So not on the clutch, shouldn't start. Nothing. On the clutch. It starts. Now I can't show you the kickstand because mine's been disabled. Anyway, hopefully that helps you a little bit. Hi, puppy. Anyway, hopefully it helps you a little bit. Yeah, it don't matter if you're in gear or not. If you're holding on the clutch, it should start. If it doesn't start when you're holding on the clutch, then chances are there's a clutch safety switch. That's probably playing around on you. Also, another thing too, to keep it from running, is if the kickstand's down and you put it in gear and let up the clutch, it'll go ahead and kill the bike. Well, on mine it won't do that because, like I said, that switch has been disabled. But on the other bike, it'll disable that and kill that off. And everyone keeps looking at me. It's like, is he out here? Is he out here? Is he out here? He's working on it. Nope. I keep just missing him. Or when I come through and he's out, I'm kind of occupied. Calm down there, dude. So, yeah, do my mandatory off-road here. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to take these gloves off because they're not exactly the best thing to fire the clutch. I'm putting it away. And I can't turn the camera on off of them, so thanks for watching.